Hi, this is Dr. Patel with Thyroid Bootcamp. Thanks so much for joining me on this short video. Today we're going to be discussing a topic that I get very many questions about, and it's key support nutrients for thyroid patients. Many of my thyroid patients come to me and they're taking a whole host of different nutrients. They don't know why. And what we find is that a lot of times they're missing the basics, the foundations that can really support their health and turn their health around when taken in the right dosage. One thing I will say is that if you're taking supplements, what's critical to note is not just what you're taking, but how much of it you're taking. If I need $100 to buy a pair of shoes, for example, and you give me 80, even though you gave me the right currency, it just wasn't enough for me to make that purchase. So your body kind of works the same way. If you have a very high need of a certain nutrient and your multivitamin or mineral isn't providing it for you, then you're not going to see the benefit that you need. You're not going to get above that threshold where you can start to function at a higher level. And that's really the goal when you're taking supplements or support products. So let's talk about some basic foundational things that you can take in this short video. Now, the first thing I tell all my patients is that we believe nothing will fix your body better than it can fix itself. So it's really critical to understand that in order for your health to improve, we have to rely on your body to do the work. We have to provide the nutrients, the cofactors, the enzymes, the environment, all of these things that the body needs for it to function at its best, because at the end of the day, that's what's going to fix you. Vitamins and minerals just provide the body with what it needs. The body has intelligence to heal itself, and we've experienced that and we know that. So key nutrients and supplements, one is a chelated mineral and multivitamin complex. This is really your foundation. Now your diet is obviously the biggest part of your foundation, but a chelated mineral and multivitamin will help you address some of those difficult to get nutrients. Now, a chelated mineral is one that's bound to an amino acid and easier to absorb. A multivitamin that's activated, and what that means is the nutrients are in their active form, is going to aid in better absorption as well. Again, not to be understated, your diet is the foundation. The next thing we want to look for is essential fats. Essential fats can be omega-3 fish oils, it can be omega-6 fats such as evening primrose oil or borage seed oil or even black currant seed oil. It really depends on what you need. Many times I find patients are taking omega-3 fats and they're missing the omega-6 fats, and that's what's leading to chronic inflammation. So they take more fish oil thinking that's going to help, when in reality they need a variety of fats, and omega-6s in some cases are part of those. Always get tested, and that way you know what you need. The next thing is glutathione support. Glutathione is a very important antioxidant and detoxifying agent. So glutathione is very critical for those that are looking to support detoxification and antioxidant levels. It's really critical that glutathione is considered as part of your therapy, or at least assessed. I find that some patients come to me and their glutathione levels are completely rock bottom and they had no idea. Probiotics, often overlooked, but very important in converting your nutrients. And what's also critical about probiotics is they help with the conversion of T4 into T3. So with aided conversion, we're able to get better activation of T3. And probiotics should be taken at night. Digestive enzymes taken with each meal can also be critical, because this will help you digest your food more thoroughly, thereby getting more from the food that you're eating. Digestive enzymes should be taken with your meals, obviously, and they should also be taken based on what your needs are. So by getting tested, you can determine if you need digestive enzymes to help with fat digestion, carbohydrate digestion, or even protein digestion. A good general pancreatic enzyme and broad spectrum enzyme can be beneficial if you're looking for something simple that covers your bases. What we've also done to help you is we've put together a package for thyroid patients. We've put together a series of products that address these specific needs and allow your body to function at its best. Now, you can always add things to this list, but these are the 5 things that we feel are very critical that will cover a broad spectrum of your needs, give you and your body what it needs to function better, and build that foundation up, and then you can start adding more specific nutrients into the mix. Now, when I talk about other nutrients, some of those things could be like vitamin D. It's very critical to get tested to know what your vitamin D levels are, and therefore that's why I didn't put it here as a general support, because some people may or may not need it. It's common that most thyroid patients need it, but like I said, cover the essential basics and then work out from there. So there you have it, some key support nutrients for thyroid patients. I hope you find this helpful. I hope you find this information beneficial to you in some way, and feel free to share it with others. Use this information to your benefit, because it can really help you in dealing with thyroid disease and overcoming the disease if you really wanted to. We look forward to educating you and helping you be the best you possible. Thanks so much. Have a great day.